LinkedIn is a social networking platform for professionals. It allows users to connect with each other, share content, and find jobs. There are a few ways to earn money from LinkedIn. 1. Freelance. You can offer freelance services on LinkedIn. 1. This could include writing, editing, web design, or other services. 1. You can find freelance opportunities by searching for jobs on LinkedIn or by contacting potential clients directly. 2. Consulting. You can also offer consulting services on LinkedIn. 2. This could involve providing advice, training, or other services to businesses or individuals. 2. You can find consulting opportunities by searching for jobs on LinkedIn or by contacting potential clients directly. 3. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money from affiliate marketing on LinkedIn. 3. This involves promoting products or services on LinkedIn and earning a commission for each sale that you generate. 3. You can find affiliate programs by searching for them on LinkedIn or by contacting companies that you are interested in promoting. 4. Courses. You can also create and sell courses on LinkedIn. 4. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others and to earn money at the same time. 4. You can create courses by using LinkedIn's built-in course creation tool or by using a third-party platform. It is important to note that there is no guarantee that you will be able to earn money from LinkedIn. The amount of money you earn will depend on a number of factors, including your skills, the quality of your work, and the demand for your services. Here are some tips for increasing your chances of earning money from LinkedIn. 1. Build a strong network. The more connections you have on LinkedIn, the more likely you are to find freelance, consulting, or affiliate marketing opportunities. 2. Create high-quality content. Share valuable content on LinkedIn that is relevant to your target audience. 2. This will help you to build your reputation and attract potential clients. 3. Stay active. LinkedIn is a social platform, so it's important to stay active by posting updates, commenting on other people's posts, and participating in discussions. 3. This will help you to keep your profile top of mind for potential clients. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of earning money from LinkedIn. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.